In this video, I'm going to show you how to take appealing photos for social media by just using your smartphone. So the very first thing that we do is to go to the settings, the camera settings, and turn on the grid as well as the smart HDR. So we turn on the grid as well as the smart HDR. So by turning on HDR, which is the high dynamic range, what the smartphone does is it takes several pictures in quick succession at different exposures, then merging them together to create a unified image, a beautiful image. And if an image is too blown out or unexposed for your liking, you can fix it by snapping on the picture by adjusting this yellow bar, this yellow slider next to the focus square. And also what we can do if we are handling the camera alone, so where we're putting it on a tripod stand, so what we can do is we can turn on the timer as well to 10 seconds. Before we take the photo, we select a location, and once we select the location, the next most important thing is camera framing. So we do camera framing. What it means is that it's the placement and the position of the subject in the shot. So normally when we take a photo on our phone, what we probably do is to hold it around the eye level and snap, right? So that's what everyone else does. So here what we do is we resist this natural tendency, and what we do is we, to make it interesting and unexpected photos, we take the photo in different vantage points to give better, and fresh perspectives. Like even when it looks like a familiar place or a subject, we try to shoot like above or below. Like you can see this photograph, we shoot it from below, and this is from above, and this is from a little tilted angle as well, and this is at the eye level. Even though it's at the eye level, because of the framing, so we can see that these photographs looks more appealing. So while we want to take appealing photos, we also use the rule of leading lines. So leading lines is one of the most useful elements in photography. Like they can be used to create powerful images with strong visual impact. Now these leading lines, actually what they do is they help draw the eye to the image and focus the viewer's attention on the main subject. Like for example, if we are taking a photo of a distant building, we try to include a road, the path or fence leading up to the subject. And leading lines could be natural, architectural structures or even waves. So you can see here, these are the architectural structure which leads the eye to the subject. The next rule of photography that we use when we want to take appealing photos is the rule of thirds. So the rule of thirds is a type of off-center composition where most important elements of a photograph are placed along the 3 by 3 grid, as you can see in this photograph, which equally divides the image into 9 parts. So while using the rule of thirds, what we do is we position the subject at this intersection at 1/3 of this entire frame, so that way this picture becomes more appealing. So now let's go to the actual location and click the picture. We select a good looking background, and we make sure that there is no disturbance whatsoever at the back, like people moving around or vehicles or any objects that's moving around. We make sure that there's absolutely no disturbance at the back. Now once we have selected the location, we take out a tripod stand and set it up just like this. So once we have set up the tripod stand, we now place our smartphone in the holder. Care should be taken to adjust the brightness, so you need to adjust the brightness according to the conditions, the lighting conditions that you're shooting these photos. All you need to do is to tap on the screen and move the cursor up and down to increase or decrease the brightness. So in order to take these photos professionally, we follow two rules of photography: the leading lines in the frame. So we find these lines in our frame, and these lines could be architectural or otherwise just like this, which will lead our eye to the subject. And the second rule that we follow is called the rule of thirds. So we select the entire frame and we divide the frame into 3 columns. So we stand somewhere within the first column of the frame just like this. So once we follow these 2 rules, now we are ready to click the photos. So all we now need to do is to take position and just smile. Just smile and we can take a few poses. Now in this example, I'm going to be taking two different poses and here they are. This is the first pose and then we take the second pose. So once we have clicked these photos, now all that we need to do is to upload these photos onto our laptop. Now once you have uploaded your photos onto your laptop or onto your desktop, we can use these photographs to create appealing posts for social media just like these. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we will answer it and help you out. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, like it, share it and subscribe to the YouTube channel and tell all the people about it, and I will talk to you in the next video. By the way, if you are a financial planner, consultant or advisor and you're interested in finding easier, quicker and better ways to do prospecting and fixing appointments and find out what other top achievers are doing to grow quickly, be sure to join our Facebook group and community and also connect with us on social media. Just click the link below to join now.